Hello, I'm Max Beasley. You might be better acquainted with me as...
Tom?
Mr. Jones! I'm here to tell you about a special offer from A&E Home Video. You can own this 6-video cassette box set of Tom Jones by calling 1-800-423-1212. And if you're kind enough to call now, you'll also receive this hardbound copy of the book, Tom Jones, for not a halfpenny more. So call now.
A&E's original presentation of Tom Jones has been brought to you in part by Mercury and by Tylenol.
This is Imagine TV.
How'd Chevy get to the Grand Marquis, sir?
Is there a problem, officer?
Huh? Just want to take it for a spin. Want a donut?
With Mercury moving upward as we...
Answer the question, Mr.
Okay,
Smith.
she wasn't with me. She was out all night with the Grand Marquis. The Mercury Grand Marquis.
Till next time, imagine yourself in a Mercury.
With all the information about pain relievers, you may not know what to choose. Your doctor knows. The pain reliever they trust most is Tylenol. In fact, doctors have recommended Tylenol even more this year than last year. Tylenol combines the strength and the safety that's unsurpassed for everyday pain. For over 20 years, it's been the first choice of doctors and hospitals. Tylenol, the pain reliever hospitals use most.
Yoo-hoo! Our mail got mixed up again. Your phone bill sure is low.
Thanks. Dialing 10321 is saving me a ton.
Those quick calls to your son in Atlanta sure look cheap.
Gotta check up on the boy.
And look at all those long talks with your brother.
With 50% off every call over 20 minutes, we can talk twice as long.
Just by dialing 10321, then 1 and a number? You should have told me 10321 saves so much.
I had a feeling you'd find out.
Next time on Tom Jones.
But I will not marry Mr. Blifil.
To London we go, Partridge.
Gentlemen, inquiring after Miss Weston. Mr. Jones is here.
Tom Jones, your servant.
He's dead.
Dead?
Dead. Tom Jones, tomorrow on A&E. As part of A&E's continuing commitment to education, a study guide and other educational materials for Tom Jones are available online at ande.com.
Hi, I'm Tom Jones.
It's not unusual to be loved by anyone.
No, the other Tom Jones.
Next on A&E. You're watching A&E. Escape the ordinary.
Gotta get business. Gotta get leads.
Hey! No, down here. You run a small business. Looks like it's keeping you too busy to go after new business. Let's see what things would look like if business got itself. Now you're talking business. Want to know how you got here? It all started when you called Pitney Bowes and ordered the personal post office. It lets you send mail without ever going out for stamps. They also sent you Mail Marketer, the amazing software program that helps you create business building direct mail. And here's the beauty part. You just click the mouse and instantly send it to Pitney Bowes. They printed it and even mailed it for you.
Call now to order the personal post office, electronic scale, and mail marketer free for 60 days, plus a free 100-piece mailing.
All of which puts you in Lead City. Think of the money you'll make. Think of the licking you'll save. So make that call and watch your business grow. Hey, I look good in red.
So call now for your 60-day free trial and 100-piece free mailing.
The personal post office. Success made simple.
Tomorrow on Biography. A sexual genius who invented his own legend.
He had to live off his wits.
Using black magic and a unique relationship with women.
It was quite a complex relationship involving both affection and fraud.
The original Casanova on Biography. Tomorrow on A&E. A&E's original presentation of Tom Jones is brought to you in part by Lexus and by AT&T. It's all within your reach. Tom Jones will continue in a moment here on A&E.
Introducing the amazing four-wheel drive RX 300. Not just another SUV. It's like no other vehicle on Earth.
With AT&T One Rate, it costs $2.40 to make a 16-minute call from Miami to Chicago. With 10321, it's $4.47. With One Rate, it costs $1.20 to make an 8-minute call from Boston to Dallas. With 10321, it's $2.23. Surprised? Don't be. Most calls from home cost less with One Rate, without dialing any extra digits. Now, what state would you rather be in? If you don't have One Rate, get it today.
A nasty germ. It could make you pretty sick. And the worst part is germs live on all kinds of things, even things we touch every day. But luckily, Purell Instant Hand Sanitizer is clinically proven to kill germs without water or towels. So use it often, anytime, any place. After all, who knows what you're in line for? To help stay well, Purell. And now there's aloe and icy blue mint Purell.
So you think you can escape from that straitjacket faster than he can find the richest coffee in the world? Is that right?
Yeah, uh-huh.
Okay, let's begin. Got it.
Finding the richest coffee in the world is easy. Just look for Juan Valdez, your guarantee that it's 100% Colombian coffee.
Harry, coffee's getting cold.
Tom Jones continues on A&E. You are watching Tom Jones here on A&E. She didn't believe in angels.
She looked right at me. She didn't see you, Seth. No one can see you unless you want them to.
Until she fell in love with one. Nicolas Cage, Meg Ryan, City of Angels, rated PG-13. Starts Friday, April 10th.
Regular lenses show reflections, and that doesn't look good. A lot of reflection.
I see reflections everywhere.
Now at Lens Crafters, I have new lenses called Invisibles. They reduce reflections up to 90%.
Wow, it's so clear.
So people see more of your eyes. You look better, even see better, especially when driving at night. Only Lens Crafters can make Invisibles in almost any pair in about an hour. Helping someone look and see their best, that means everything to me.
New Invisibles, only at Lens Crafters.
An A&E original presentation.
It is a story of fate and forgiveness.
Deception and destiny. It is a past she cannot escape.
A wrong I cannot right.
Her name is Tess of the D'Urbervilles. Tess of the D'Urbervilles.
And this is my story.
The A&E Literary Collection proudly presents the epic story of love, Tess of the D'Urbervilles. Premiering this fall. The rape and murder of a little girl.
Someone has to pay for it.
Put an innocent man on death row.
Sometimes I was just telling them things because I knew they just wanted to hear certain things.
Who was responsible?
The judge did nothing. Tainted evidence, perjured testimony.
Even a confession and DNA evidence haven't convinced everyone.
We're guilty of being made into some sort of heroes.
Presumed guilty on American Justice. Wednesday at 9 Eastern, 10 Pacific. Only on A&E. Every month, the compelling true stories of extraordinary people. From A&E comes Biography Magazine. In the April issue, Drew Barrymore. Order now and receive the original motion picture soundtrack from The Little Mermaid with your paid subscription. Enjoy an entire year for only $18. Call 1-800-238-2800 and order Biography Magazine. Because every life has a story. Tom Jones continues here on A&E.